Did you know that flamingos are naturally white? Their iconic pink hue comes from their diet of brine shrimp and blue-green algae, rich in carotenoids. Without these, they'd remain a pale white. This quirky fact highlights how diet can dramatically alter appearance, even in the animal kingdom. Imagine if humans turned green from eating too much spinach. This fascinating tidbit reminds us of nature's surprising transformations. So next time you see a flamingo, remember, they're just as colorful as their lunch. Like, comment, and subscribe for more fun facts.